We're going to sing a song about dancing, freezing, and playing some sports. So when I say dance, you're going to dance. And when I say freeze, you're going to freeze. Are you ready? Let's dance! Dance! Time to dance. Keep dancing. Time to dance. Dance, 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 and freeze. All right, get your basketballs. It's time to start bouncing. Gotta bounce that ball. We call this dribbling. Dribble the ball. Dribble it in one hand. Dribble it in the other hand. Forward, back. Don't stop bouncing. Bounce, 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 and we freeze. Hold on to those basketballs. We're going to try and shoot them into the basket. Ready? Shoot. Uh-oh, it hit the rim. Try again. Bounce, 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 and swish! Nothing but net. Let's try for a slam dunk. Ready? Pow! Slam dunk! And we freeze. Let's try something different. Everyone get on a skateboard. You're going to push off with one leg. Here we go. Push. Ooh, don't fall off now. Push. Yeah. Here comes the ramp. Jump. Woohoo! Let's see your skateboard tricks. Here we go. We're skateboarding and we freeze. It's time for a tennis match. Grab your racket and hit the ball. Hit it back. Backhand. What a great rally. Oh, it's getting faster and faster. Hit the ball faster. Forehand, backhand, forehand, forehand, backhand, forehand, forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, forehand, and freeze. Oh, okay, it's time for volleyball. Get ready to serve. Take a deep breath and serve the ball. Lots of things we can do here. Bump the ball, set the ball, and jump up and smash the ball. Spike it. Bump it hard. Uh-oh, it went so high it got stuck in the ceiling. Where is it? Freeze. Okay, take a breath. Now we're spectating. That means watching. We're going to watch other people play the game. You gotta take a break sometime. Let someone else play for a while. Maybe you wanna watch with binoculars. Breathe in slowly. Slow motion freeze. You're frozen, but not for long, because it's time to dance! Dance! We're dancing! Pick your favorite sport. Bounce it, spike it, throw it, catch it, ride it. Woo! Dance, 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 dance. After all that sports and I'm tired, so we freeze.